Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. Let's learn Bahasa Melayu by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 5. I'm going to explain about verb, tidak ada. Chapter 5 or bab 5. Verbs, verb to have, negative form, tidak ada. In previous lesson, the verb to have is expressed as ada. The negative form is tidak ada, and it is often abbreviated to tak ada in conversation. Let's see the examples. Saya tidak ada kereta, or saya tak ada kereta. I haven't any car. Awak tidak ada lembu, or awak tak ada lembu. You haven't any cow. Dia tidak ada rokok. He hasn't any cigarette. Rokok, cigarette. Dia tidak ada pisau. He or she hasn't any knife. Knife is pisau. Kami tidak ada wang, or kami tidak ada duit. We have any money. Mereka tidak ada pensel. They have any pencil. Zainab tidak ada jam tangan. Zainab hasn't any watch. Jam tangan means watch. If just jam, could be clock. Tangan means hand. So jam tangan, watch. Words to remember. Nouns. Kemeja, shirt. Kemudahan, facilities. The base word is mudah. Mudah means simplify or easy. Stocking. It means stockings for women or socks. Topi, hat. Condominium, same like English condominium. Payung, umbrella. Sapu tangan, handkerchief. Sapu means wipe, wiping. Tangan, hand. We combine two nouns to create a new word. Sapu tangan, handkerchief. Selimut, blanket. Pillow, bantal. Tali pinggang, belt. Tali means rope or string. Pinggang is a body part. It means waist, like this picture. So this is pinggang, waist. Buah pinggang. Buah pinggang is kidney. Buah means fruit. So this part is pinggang. Tali pinggang, belt. Songkok, Malay cap. So which one? It is the black one. Black and heart. Usually in a heart. Usually Malay people, Malay men wear this, especially on Friday. And you can also see the Malay men wearing this type of one, this kind of one, the white color. This is from Middle East influence. We call it kopiah. Sikat, comb. Coat, coat. Conjunctions, atau, or. Tetapi, but. Or you can short it become tapi. Usually we say tapi, but. Dan, and. Let's do the exercise together. Saya, I. Awak, you. Dia, he or she. Kami, we. Kami doesn't include the person you talk to. Mereka. Mereka means they. Hashim is a name, a male name. Saya ada selimut. I have a blanket. Awak ada sikat. You have a comb. Dia ada sapu tangan. He or she has a handkerchief. Kami ada payung. We have an umbrella. Mereka tidak ada kemeja. They don't have shirts. Hashim tidak ada stocking. Hashim doesn't have socks. Saya tidak ada rumah. I don't have a house. Awak ada baju hujan. You have a raincoat. Hujan means rain. Baju means clothes. Baju hujan, raincoat. Dia ada berus. He has a brush. Kami tidak ada tali pinggang. We don't have belt. Mereka ada topi. They have hats. Hashim ada katil. Hashim has a bed. Saya tidak ada kamus. I don't have a dictionary. Awak ada majalah. You have a magazine. Another exercise. Translate the following English sentence into Bahasa Melayu sentence. Number 1. That institute of higher learning hasn't any specific courses. Institut pengajian tinggi itu tidak ada kursus tertentu. That institute of higher learning. That itu. Institute. Higher learning, pengajian tinggi. Pengajian, learning, means study, from the word mengaji or ngaji, learn. Pengajian, learning. Higher, tinggi. That institute of higher learning, institut pengajian tinggi itu, hasn't, tidak ada, any we don't have, we don't put here in Bahasa Melayu sentence, specific course, kursus tertentu. Tertentu also means certain. Okay, number 2, that campus hasn't any transport facilities. Kampus itu, that campus, tidak ada, hasn't, any transport facilities, kemudahan pengangkutan. Kemudahan pengangkutan, transport facilities. Kemudahan facilities, from the word mudah, simplify or easy. Pengangkutan, from the word angkut. Angkut mean lifting or carry by vehicle. Pengangkutan, transport. So JPJ means Jabatan Pengangkutan Jalan. It's the place where we make driver's license. In English, JPJ, the Road Transport Department. Number 3, Kampung Semenyih hasn't any electricity and water facilities. Kampung Semenyih, kampung means village. Village Semenyih or Semenyih village, tidak ada, hasn't, electricity and water facilities. Kemudahan, facilities, elektrik dan air. Electric is electricity, air, not air. Air means water. Kemudahan elektrik dan air, electricity and water facilities. Number 4, the smart school has computers. Sekolah Bistari or Sekolah Bestari, smart school, has computers, ada komputer. Number 5, that millionaire has 2 condominiums. Jutawan itu ada 2 buah kondominium. That millionaire. Jutawan itu. Jutawan. From the word, the base word is juta. Juta means million. Jutawan. It refers to a person. Jutawan itu ada 2 buah kondominium. 2 units condominiums. Buah is a classifier for cubical and large object. Number 6. I have any dogs or cats. Saya tidak ada anjing atau kucing. Number 7. They have any handkerchief. Mereka, they, tidak ada sapu tangan. Handkerchief, sapu tangan. Sapu, wiping, wipe. Tangan, hand. Number 8. Amir hasn't any socks or shoes. Amir is a name, a male name. Amir tidak ada socks, stocking, or shoes, atau kasut, or atau shoes, kasut. Number 9. He hasn't any coat, but he has a shirt. Dia tidak ada coat, tetapi or tapi he has a shirt. Dia ada kemeja. Number 10. You have any belt, but you have a handkerchief. Awak tidak ada tali pinggang, tetapi awak ada sapu tangan. Okay, this is the JPJ. It's where if we got any summon or compound from the authorities, we will go here and pay it. And also this place where we make driver's license. JPJ stand for Jabatan J.P. Pengangkutan Jalan Malaysia. Jabatan means department. Pengangkutan, angkut. Transportation, jalan, road or street. So here Jabatan Pengangkutan Jalan JPJ in wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur in KL. KL JPJ. Wilayah means territories or province. Persekutuan, federal. Federal territories, Kuala Lumpur. JPJ also set rules and regulation to transportation in order to be operated in the road. Like this, VLT, visibility light transmission. About the dark glass. If you want to install this, you must follow the JPJ regulation. Pemasangan, installation, or penggunaan, usage, guna, use. Cermin gelap. Gelap means dark. Cermin, glass. This one, glass. Car glass. Peratus. Peratus means percentage. Ketelusan, transparency, cahaya. Cahaya means light. VLT, visibility, light transmission. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.